This is a 1908 window. Now the beauty of this particular installation, you get all the dirt and all the age out of there and you go back to the original. You are back in time, which is really kind of neat. So I'm a big proponent of Louis. I know what his windows need, what they want, and what we have to do to get them back to what they're supposed to look like. They're gutsy, they're really incredible. You're now thrown in the middle of this garden and you can feel yourself going down there. And it's really, it's astounding. I would put it into the category of one of the major windows. It's really, really huge. It's 16 feet tall. It's got all of these really incredible glass mixes in it that qualify it to be a really top-notch Tiffany window. Take a look at this stuff, you know, and see what is in here. This is not cute. This isn't, you know, this isn't really just pretty. I mean, it knocks your socks off.